Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your home for smart gadgets that make everyday living safer, simpler, and smarter. Today, we're diving into the world of premium home security with the Arlo Pro 5 Spotlight Camera, 4-camera system, one of the most advanced outdoor wireless surveillance kits of 2025. Let's talk power. This is a 2K HDR camera system, offering over twice the resolution of standard 1080p. That means you're getting sharper, clearer details whether it's a license plate in your driveway or a face at your front door. Every frame matters, and Arlo delivers. What sets the Pro 5s apart? For starters, it uses dual-band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, to automatically connect to the strongest, most stable signal. That gives you smoother live streaming, faster notifications, and less lag, even on crowded networks. Each camera in this kit has a 12x digital zoom, two-way audio, an integrated siren, and an ultra-bright spotlight, giving you proactive control over your security. The color night vision is a huge step up from grainy black and white footage. You'll be able to monitor motion clearly even in the darkest corners of your yard or driveway. And yes, this is a fully wireless system, running on rechargeable batteries with long-lasting performance. Installation is completely DIY, no wiring, no drilling, just mount and sync with the Arlo Secure app. In just minutes, you'll have a 4-zone smart perimeter around your property. Live stream anytime, anywhere, and use smart alerts to get notified of motion, people, or packages. If you're subscribed to Arlo Secure, you unlock rich notifications with snapshots, cloud video history, and advanced AI detection. Plus, with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, you can arm the system with your voice or pull up live views on your Echo Show or Chromecast TV. Durability-wise, these cameras are IP65 weather-resistant, so they're built to handle rain, snow, heat, or dust year-round. It's true peace of mind whether you're home or away. So if you're serious about protecting your home with next-level video quality, powerful smart features, and a seamless app experience, the Arlo Pro 5s is a top-tier investment in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our next gadget breakdown. Grab the link below if you're ready to upgrade your home security.